Hello, good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make money like me. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a notification on and like my videos, please, guys. Now, today's video, I want to share with you websites that you can be mining Ethereum from. No investment. All you need to do is just to mine free Ethereum with a threshold that you will do into your wallet and cards. Now let's look at the website. The name of the website is called ethereum.win. Ethereum.win. Now all you need to do here is just for you to roll within some hours, 1 hour per hours. You roll, then you get your Ethereum. You can see my earnings. You can see if you look at the screen top, you will see my earnings. You will see my earnings is how many days now. It's almost 2 days I've been mining this Ethereum, and you can see my balance. Now let's look at the dashboard. Let's see the total amount of dollars is that. Now the total amount is 46. So just for 2 days alone, I've mined almost 0.0176 Ethereum. Guys, this is the right opportunity for you to jump into and quick as possible. Do it now and roll more every day, every hour, so that you are able to gain more and more Ethereum into your wallet. This is the right opportunity for you. Don't forget not to mine every day. Jump into it and do it. I will leave the referral link. I will leave my link below the description. Be sure to sign up through the link and do the needful. Please, guys, don't waste this opportunity. It's very important. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. God bless.